Azofuna uhlukaniswe neqiniso afuna uqhelelane nophilisi kodwa mina ngeke ngakhohlisa angeke ngithelelane nenkohlisi azofuna uhlukaniswe neqiniso
35 is the time right here on the Haram Show. Still hanging out with the best team on your radio, and that is IzwaMuntu alongside
your kind of girl, Melissa Isbiela. But not just that, now we do have our guests. We do have IzwaMuntu Kzn, and as I did tell you guys earlier on, for the Free Flow Friday, and we're going to be hanging out to this guy. We're going to be having this guy in the studio, and he's right here.
Right here with us.
Hi, Mo.
IzwaMuntu.
Hi, Mo.
No, this is perfect. Perfect. Welcome to the show. Welcome to Inanda FM. Welcome to this side of Durban. Because all the way from the south coast.
Very well by choosing the show. So let me paint you a real quick picture right here. This guy, he's got this American look. Shama shades. But not only that, he also comes with a camera guy.
Yeah, what?
You understand? A videographer.
We
have all under that. It's very important. I like that you respect into your confeto. I like that. Taking yourself very seriously. That's
the album's out on course. I love it, man. It sounds beautiful. So take us through the album, man. How long did it take you to put it out? And also, what kind of issues, man, are you tapping into Ngali album before we getting into your performance?
So actually what happened, by the way, I go by the name IzwaMuntu Kzn, Mr. Number One, the only richest rapper in South Coast. You know what it is. I-project yami ingathini ngase ngihlanganisa ingoma ngenxa yokuthi ngingaba nama challenges akhona ukuthi like la bengirecorda khona bengeke ngilose so ngiluza ama files azi ingoma. So what I did, that's why